for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, power door locks, MP3 player, bucket seats. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.